Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 13th of December 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 13th of December 2020. Our first question is Asia Cup Tournament 2021 will be organized in which of the following country? Answer is option number 3, Sri Lanka. What is Asia Cup Tournament? Asia Cup Tournament is a men's one-day international and T20 international cricket tournament. It was established in 1983. It was established in 1983 when the Asian Cricket Council was founded as a measure to promote goodwill between Asian countries. It was scheduled to be held every 2 years. It was first held in 1984 in UAE. Last edition of this Asia Cup tournament was held in 2018 in UAE and it has been owned by India, beating Bangladesh in the finals. In 2020, it was scheduled to be held in Pakistan, but due to COVID-19, it has been cancelled, and now in 2021, it will be organized in Sri Lanka. Answer will be option number 3, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. This is Sri Lanka. Capital is Colombo and Sri Jayawardhanepura Kotte. Colombo is the commercial capital of Sri Lanka, and Sri Jayawardhanepura Kotte is the administrative capital of Sri Lanka. President is Gotabaya Rajapaksa and Prime Minister of Sri Lanka is Mahinda Rajapaksa. Currency of Sri Lanka is Sri Lankan Rupaya. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as International Human Rights Day every year? Answer is option number 3, 10th December. 10th December is celebrated as International Human Rights Day every year, and this date has been chosen to honor the United Nations General Assembly's adoption and proclamation on the 10th of December 1948 of the Universal Declaration of the Human Rights, the first global enunciation of human rights and one of the first major achievement of the new United Nations. Answer will be option number 3, 10th December. Next, Paolo Rossi, the professional footballer, has recently died at the age of 64. He was the famous footballer of dash. Answer is option number 1, Italy. Look into the image. This was Paolo Rossi. He was an Italian professional footballer, and in 1982 he led Italy to the 1982 FIFA World Cup title, scoring 6 goals to win the Golden Boot as a top goal scorer and the Golden Ball for the player of the tournament, and recently he has died at the age of 64. Answer will be option number 1, Italy. Italy, look at that. This is Italy. Capital is Rome. President of Italy is Sergio Mattarella and currency of Italy is euro. Euro is the currency of Italy. Next, which of the following state has topped in recently released Urban Governance Index 2020? Urban Governance Index. This index has been released by Praja Foundation. Mumbai-based Praja Foundation has released this index called Urban Governance Index 2020, and Odisha has topped in this index following Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Kerala as the second, third and fourth state. Answer will be option number 1, Odisha. Odisha, look at it, this is Odisha. Capital is Bhubaneswar. Governor is Ganeshi Lal. Chief Minister of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik. Its legislature has 147 seats. 21 members elected to Lok Sabha and 10 members elected to Rajya Sabha from Odisha. It borders with West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh, and Mahanadi is the main river of Odisha. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as UNICEF Day? What is UNICEF? Long form of UNICEF is United Nations Children's Emergency Fund, and the United Nations General Assembly has created UNICEF on 11th of December 1946 as the United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. This program was initiated to provide supplies, assistance and to improve the health, nutrition, education and general welfare of children after World War II. That's the reason every year 11th December is celebrated as UNICEF Day. Answer will be option number 3, 11th December. Next, what will be the India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by ADB or Asian Development Bank? Asian Development Bank, it is also called ADB. It is a regional development bank established on 19th of December 1966. Headquarter is in Manila. Manila is in Philippines, and currently president of ADB is Matsugu Asakawa. And recently ADB has revised its forecast of India's GDP growth rate in FY21 to -8% from -9%, which has been predicted earlier in September 2020. Answer will be option number 3, -8%. Next, Indian cricketer Parthiv Patel has recently announced his retirement from all forms of international cricket. In domestic cricket, he represented which of the following state? Answer is option number 4, Gujarat. Look into this is Parthiv Patel. He was a former Indian cricketer, wicketkeeper batsman, and was a former member of Indian national cricket team. And recently, he has announced his retirement at the age of 35. And he represented Gujarat in domestic cricket. Answer will be option number 4, Gujarat. Gujarat, look at the map. This is Gujarat. It was formed on 2nd of May 1960. Capital is Gandhinagar. Governor is Acharya Devrutta. Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani. It is the fifth largest state by area and ninth largest by population in India. Its legislature has 182 members. 26 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 11 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Gujarat, who has been named as the Person of the Year 2020 by Time Magazine. Time Magazine, it is an American weekly news magazine and news website published and based in New York City. And recently, Times Magazine has named Joe Biden and Kamala Harris as the Person of the Year 2020. So answer will be option number 4, both first and second. Joe Biden is the newly elected president of America and Kamala Harris is the newly elected vice president of America. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as International Mountain Day? Answer is option number 3, 11th December. International Mountain Day is celebrated every year on 11th of December. This day aims to encourage sustainable development in mountains. The day was announced by the United Nations General Assembly in 2003. It is observed to create awareness about the importance of mountains to life, to highlight the opportunities and constant in mountain development, and to build alliances that will bring positive change to mountain people and environment around the world. And theme for 2020's International Mountain Day was Mountain Biodiversity. Answer will be option number 3, 11th December. Next, Astad Dev has recently died at the age of 73. He was a dash. Answer is option number 1, dancer. Look into the image. This was Astad Dev. He was an Indian contemporary dancer and choreographer. He was born on 13th of July 1947 in Gujarat. He was also awarded with Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 1996 and Padma Shri in 2007, and recently he has died at the age of 73. Answer will be option number 1, dancer. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, which state government has recently launched lunch box scheme for pregnant women? Answer is option number 1, Telangana. Second question was, which of the following state government has recently announced to build a memorial for Bhopal gas tragedy victims? Answer is option number 4, Madhya Pradesh. Which state government has recently approved the renaming of caste-based settlement? Answer is option number 1, Maharashtra. Which of the following state has recently become the first state in India to conduct more than 2 crore COVID-19 tests? Answer is option number 2, Uttar Pradesh. Next question was, which of the following day has recently been celebrated as Armed Forces Flag Day? Answer is option number 4, 7th December. Recently, newly constructed Majrehat Bridge has been named as Jai Hind Bridge. It is located in dash. It is located in Kolkata, capital of West Bengal. Next question was, Corey Anderson has recently announced his retirement from all forms of international cricket. He is associated with which of the following country? Answer is option number 3, New Zealand. What will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by RBI? Answer is option number 1, minus 7.5%. Which of the following day is celebrated as International Anti-Corruption Day annually? Answer is option number 3, 9th December. And now answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Computer Literacy Day? Answer is option number 2, 2nd December. World Computer Literacy Day is celebrated every year on 2nd of December. It was launched by Indian computer company NIIT, NIIT, to mark the 20th anniversary in 2001. Answer will be option number 2, 2nd December. Now today's question is, which bank has recently launched SMS Pay feature? Options are SBI, Yes Bank, ICICI Bank and DBS Bank. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.